Exploring the top interior design trends of 2024. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of interior design to explore the top trends of 2024. 2024 is all about blending sustainability, technology, and artistic expression to create spaces that are not only beautiful but also functional and eco-friendly. First up, biophilic materials are taking center stage. Reclaimed wood, cork, and bamboo are being used to bring the outdoors in, fostering a connection to nature and promoting a sense of well-being. Speaking of sustainability, recycled and upcycled materials are hotter than ever. From furniture crafted from recycled plastics to lighting fixtures made from repurposed materials, eco-conscious design is a key focus. Metallic finishes like brass and matte black continue to add a touch of luxury and sophistication to interiors. Whether it's hardware, lighting fixtures, or accent pieces, metallics are here to stay. Terrazzo is making a comeback in 2024, offering a versatile and visually striking option for flooring, countertops, and decorative accents. Its unique blend of marble, quartz, or glass chips adds character to any space. Texture is also playing a big role in interior design this year. Rattan, woven fabrics, textured wallpapers, and plaster finishes are being used to add depth and tactile appeal to walls and furniture. And let's not forget about technology. Smart fabrics with built-in LEDs, temperature regulation, and health monitoring sensors are revolutionizing the way we interact with our living spaces. Of course, sustainability remains a top priority. Fabrics made from organic cotton, hemp, linen, and recycled fibers are gaining popularity, offering both style and environmental benefits. Concrete continues to be a favorite for its industrial chic aesthetic. Whether it's flooring, countertops, or furniture pieces, concrete adds a modern touch to any space.
Transparent materials like glass and acrylic are being used to create open and airy spaces, perfect for maximizing natural light and maintaining visual connectivity. And last but not least, natural stone remains a timeless choice for adding elegance and sophistication to interiors. Marble, granite, and travertine bring a touch of luxury to any room. And there you have it, folks. The top interior design trends of 2024. Which trend are you most excited to incorporate into your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!